Model, 1998 Peugeot Boxer 320S 2.5D ELDDIS 6 berth motorhome camper MOT failure. Body, white, motorhome. Mileage, 88,166. Engine, 2,446 ccl2 VXAWGP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Unfortunately, this is a MOT failure on welding. Please check the mot.gov website for the failure list. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear camping area is nice grin. Features, coach-built mototorhome. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.